You are going to love the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.